Your barrier kit will come with 2 of these straps, 2 of these setups, 2 of these side grates, and then one 3-piece foldable grating. Assembly is very easy. Once you unfold the trifold grating, you can attach the side pieces, like so, if needed to cover a greater area. Once that's secured in place, you're going to wrap this strap around the headrest and secure that in as well. There's even a little Velcro patch that straps in the remaining piece to keep it secure. While you may only need to attach one of the side gratings on one side, please be sure to secure the strap around the headrest on both sides. Because of the size of my trunk, I only needed to use one size grating, but please note it does come with 2 gratings and 2 of the attachment pieces. The grating can be used in the back seat and in the front seat. It's very effective at keeping your pets in the back, and it's safe for them as well. The grating is also very durable, so if your dog is more aggressive and is biting and jumping the grating, it will not fall apart and it will not move. Once dismantled, all the pieces can be arranged to create this small parcel which can be stored anywhere.